Welcome to our channel, where we bring you expert guides to enhance your gaming experience. Today, we'll show you how to set up a gaming server account using a VPN to ensure a stable connection and minimal latency. For more guides and help, please visit our blog by searching UDP Custom in any browser. But before we dive in, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable content. Step 1. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Howdy website. Step 2. Next, click on the hamburger icon, which you'll find slightly below on the left side of your mobile screen. Step 3. Now locate and click on the Create VPN label to reveal more options. Step 4. From the list of options, select Howdy VPN for gaming to proceed with setting up your gaming server. Step 5. You'll need to choose a server location for your gaming experience. Pick the one that suits you best. Step 6. Now it's time to create your server. Fill in your desired username and password. Optionally, you can input a valid SNI, server name indication. Don't forget to check the reCAPTCHA box to confirm you're not a robot. Finally, click the Create button to proceed. Step 7. Once your server is created, make sure to copy the server details provided and save them in a notepad for future reference. Step 8. If you're unsure about using the Howdy gaming server on Howdy VPN, we've got you covered. Check out our tutorial video below for a step-by-step guide. That's it for today's tutorial on setting up a gaming server account with Howdy VPN. We hope this guide helps you achieve a smoother and more enjoyable gaming experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gaming tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy gaming!